Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a Gage R&R with attribute data using the minitab assistant tool. So first, you have to click on assistant and then you can go to measurement system analysis and then you click on attribute agreement worksheet. Then you're gonna get this window and you need to determine how many inspectors you're gonna have in your analysis. So I'm gonna leave it at 3, and then how many trials, I'm gonna leave it at 2. Then you put the name of the appraiser, so I'm gonna put Jason as my first inspector. Then I'm gonna put Bilbo. Then I do my third one, I'm gonna name him Ron. So for the purpose of this example, I'm going to use only 14 samples, and then for the acceptable items, I'm just gonna name them good, and unacceptable items are gonna be named bad. That's the default, so you can change it to any name that you want to give your samples to identify which ones are the acceptable ones and which ones are the bad ones. In other words, good ones are your alpha samples and the bad ones are your beta samples, if you want to be more technical. So right here you have to set the standard for each one of your items. So my item number 1 is bad item. Item number 2 it's bad. Item 3 is bad. Item 4 is bad. So all of these are gonna be bad. And then sample 8 will be good. Then you go and do this for all of the items. So for my experiment, I'm gonna have 4 good and 10 bad. Okay. And then once you make the assessment, this assessment for each item, then you click OK. And then minitab is asking you if you want to print a data collection form. I always do that. In this case, we say no. So over here, this is where you put the results. So you're gonna put the result for Jason first trial and test item number 6, and then you put Jason's assessment in here and do the same for all of the runs. Okay, so now I enter my data, and I have to make sure that all of the rows are filled out. So now I need to analyze the data. So we're gonna click on assistant again and then measurement system analysis, and then we click on attribute agreement analysis. For appraisers, I'm gonna choose the appraisers column. For trials column. Test items will be test items column. And for appraiser results, then we do results, and standards we do standards. So pretty straightforward. And then you have to select which ones are the acceptable items. So I'm gonna choose good, and then we click OK. Okay, so these are my results. So minitab gives you a summary of your results, gives you the charts, it gives you an agreement analysis, and it gives you some hints. So this is how you do an attribute agreement analysis or a attribute Gage R&R in minitab. For this example, it says that my measurement system is acceptable. So it means that I am 98.8% effective. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.